In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Apple Pay through Jotform's Stripe checkout integration. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then log in to your account. From My Workspace, select My Forms. Click Create Form, choose Start from Scratch, and then select Classic Form. In the Form Builder, click Add Element, then open the Payments tab and add Stripe Checkout to your form. Click Payment Properties, then connect your Stripe account by following the authentication steps. Click Add Product and enter your product details including the name, price, and description. If needed, enable stock control in the product settings. When you're finished, click Preview Form to test the payment flow. Click Publish, then copy the direct form link. On an Apple device, open the form in Safari. Make sure Apple Pay is already set up in the Wallet app. Complete the form and submit it. When the Stripe checkout page opens, select Apple Pay, then confirm the payment using Face ID or Touch ID. That's how to use Apple Pay through Jotform's Stripe checkout integration. Thanks for watching.